Hello everyone, this is your friend Rahul from techblogcorner.com, and today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can see your competitors ads on Facebook and what they are targeting, what kind of images they are using, and what kind of platforms they are using to show their ads. Okay, so stay tuned with me till the end of this video because I am going to show you this growth hack technique so that you can use your spend wisely while running ads on Facebook and Instagram. So let's get started without wasting the time. So the tool I am going to refer today is Facebook Ad Library. This tool is officially recommended by Facebook during the time of elections and politics campaigns in May 2018. This tool is going to help you to see the ads of any brands, any publisher, or any influencer in the ad library. These are completely searchable ads. You can search for any keyword, name, or page in the ad library. So let me show you this thing in the action. So what you have to do is you have to search Facebook ad library in Google. Once you click on this link, you will see Facebook ad library dashboard in front of you. By default, you will see issues, elections and politics, but you need to select all so that you can see the ads of all the brand influencers which are not falling in this particular category. For example, if you are looking to see the ads of a food blog or a food company, or if you are looking for ads what Uber is running on Facebook and Instagram, then you have to select the search all option. Okay, just click on that search all option and just type the name of any brand. For example, I'm going to tap the name of Zomato, so that we can see what Zomato is running all around on Facebook and Instagram on their Facebook partners. So let's search for Zomato and just click on this first link. And as you can see, the Zomato page is in front of you. When the Zomato page is created, every information is there. I am getting total 25 results, and what ads they are running is in March 2021. You can see in front of you, and this ad is these particular ads are only for the Indian region, because you can see the filters on the top is for India location as a selected, and you can filter out what kind of ads Zomato is running only on Facebook, Instagram, or any other particular platform. You can apply the filters. Okay, you can see just corresponding to the active icon, you will see Facebook and Instagram. That means this particular ad is running only for these two platforms, Facebook and Instagram. And whereas the second ad is running for Facebook, Instagram, audience network, and messenger. And if I want to change the filter and I want to see only ads which is running on Instagram, I will change the filter into Instagram, and I can see Instagram is in every 3 ads. And if I want to see the ads only running on audience network, then I will apply the filter here. Okay, by default these all ads are selected based on the higher impression. Let me take another example of Uber. You can see Uber has been created this page on 29th May 2010, and these are the audience they have. By default the filter of the country is India. If I want to see what ads Uber is running in United States, then I will select United States. It will filter out the ads which are only running in US. So you can see they are running these 3 ads or maybe multiple ads on these 4 platforms, and this particular ad is only on Instagram. So when you click on see ad details, you will see the details about what type of ad they are running. They are running dynamic ad with multiple ad copies. That means they are just uploading the ad copies with multiple versions, and Facebook AI engine just selecting the ad copies from the bunch of or the pool of ads they have uploaded to serve the ad based on the user behavior, what kind of ads they have liked in the past on Facebook, what are their action. So that's why dynamic ads are in action on Facebook. So this is a very interesting information I always get from by using this tool, so that I can improve my ad copies, and I can even filter out what are the active ads they are running right now, and inactive ads as well. Lot of filters are there, and you can scroll down and you can see the history of the ads as well, like what ads they are running in February or January. You can scroll down a bit and then you will see they are running lot of different ad copies. As you can see, they are running these purple ad templates in January 2021. And see, this is a complete transition they are using, and you can take the inspiration from these research and growth hack methods to utilize your money wisely, because these brands are having very big media teams who are doing a lot of research, and you are doing a lot of A/B testing. And if you are running a small business or also having a short money, then you can use this method to use your money wisely on Facebook. That's all, guys. I think you like my video, and if you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you, take care, bye bye.